Hi and welcome to my mess. Well, this video definitely won't be interesting to most of you who are more advanced, but as I'm doing this thing anyway, I thought I will record it. I have plenty of Christmas lights, something like this, battery powered, and I want to convert them to USB. So if you know how to do it, then you can skip this video or watch this video, and if you don't know, well, you can watch and maybe learn something, maybe not. Okay, the thing about those lights is that they don't have a resistor built in here because they rely on the internal resistance of the battery to limit the current. But, well, USB can provide plenty of power in theory, at least when you're LED, this will be plenty of power. So I will, well, let's test those batteries first, because I don't know if I should discard them. No, probably. I can still use them for something. So I will need resistors here. But first, first things first. Maybe I will zoom down a little bit here. Yeah, maybe. This wire, those two wires in this two-wire cable are not then identical. There is a dotted pattern on the plus wire. It's usually the plus wire, but I had some lights where it was the minus wire, so you should always check that. Don't know if you can see this. No, you probably cannot. Well, trust me that one. Oh, there are no dots here, but some stripes barely visible. And this is the plus wire. So let's cut this. For example, here. I will reuse this box for something, I don't know what yet, but I will reuse it. And now, well, I have 100 meters of such cable. Electro cable, this is a Polish company. I will cut a piece of this wire. It's a copper wire, quite thin, but perfect for the LEDs. So I've cut a meter of it or something, around a meter. Maybe I will zoom down. Yeah, because you know, when you're doing such things, you're not looking at the camera, but well, if I want to show it, then I should look at the camera, at least from time to time. Okay, this wire is cut. Now let's cut this one as well. And for this I will use another cutter, if I find it here in this mess. This one. Bring it here. Now heat shrink tube, which was somewhere here. It's here, behind the tree. Two pieces of a heat shrink tube. And I will connect plus to plus, minus to minus. And the plus is, well, it is where I put it, but usually this wire has a strip. This is a black wire with a red strip, and this will be my plus. This is a sort of a standard. Alright, so let's put the heat shrink tube here on the plus. Now find the pattern on this wire. It's here. Here's the plus. You know, some of those lights are AC, especially those already powered by USB with some, or solar lights with some modes that can blink and flicker. But those LEDs that just light up, without any modes are usually DC. So all LEDs are connected in the same way, while in those that have some modes there is an LED and then an LED connected backwards, so you can power them with AC. Alright, can you see it? Yeah. Heat shrink tube. And another one. I should maybe cut a little more of it. Actually, I can zoom down a little bit. Is it in focus? Yeah. Probably. And by the way, sometimes you have sharp edges when you solder. You should remove them because they pinch through heat shrink tube. Alright, so the cable is connected. Now let's grab some resistors. I'm using two 60 ohm resistors in series just to make it easier. It's not because of the power dissipation here, but just because it's easier for me to do it this way. Alright, first, so I will not forget it later, I will put some solder here. It will be needed to connect it to the USB. Oh, come on. Now let's cut those two wires. Let's grab this one. Strip it. Cut it and strip it. Now maybe I should zoom down a little bit again. Well, you see what I'm doing. Nothing very interesting, probably. You know, I don't know if I'll publish this video. I probably will, even if it's not really, I don't know, entertaining or educational. Or maybe I won't because I see my camera battery is dying. Great. I can connect a power supply, but then you will hear mains hum. So, well, if it dies, I will do it. If it doesn't, I won't. Anyway, let's grab a heat shrink tube. Where is it? It's here. Let's cut it. Actually, two parts of it. Blinking battery icon is stressing me a little bit. Okay, let's put it here and this one here. Will it fit or not? Come on. It doesn't want to fit, so I have to help it. Now let's grab the USB, not a socket, I have sockets here, but a USB plug, this part, and this part, out of focus, everything, great. As always, this channel shouldn't be called Circuit Chaos, but Circuits out of focus. Right, now, well, I remember it already, but the minus is here. I will show in a moment how to check this easily. Let's just solder it. Yeah, I cannot look at the camera now. Is it in focus? Of course it's not. Okay, now a small trick how to check where's the plus, where's the minus in the USB. I have something like this, those two connectors on a board. There's a description here on the board. So for example, I connect this one to the socket, and you can see ground is here, so the ground is on this side, and it's the same with the plug. I have ground and the bus here, so I can connect it to the socket, and then I know where it is, but well, I already remember it. Now one more thing, the cable won't fit here, so I will use a drill to make the hole wider a little bit. Where is the drill? And I really hope the battery will last. And of course, doing it while holding it in your hand is probably a bad idea, but this video is not an instruction, as they say. Right, so let's put this here, close it, test it by connecting it to the USB. Yeah, it works. Well, great. So that's it in this video. No, that's not it, because it fell out. I have to put it once again. Well, maybe I will glue it. No, it's okay. That's it in this video then, and thanks for watching. I will show you the end effect when I'm done. Bye.